Bless you. Bless you, baby. Oh, that's big toots.
I wonder if I should burp her some more.
Did you get any good burps out of her?